Hi and welcome to Motorcycles UK. Today I'd like to show a short video on this absolutely fully loaded Triumph Tiger 1200 XRx Low. Here we have a Triumph Tiger 1200 XRx Low. This is a 2018 bike on an 18 plate with just 4,595 miles, one owner from new and a full service history. I say this bike's a low, it's actually more like a super low. It's also fitted with a Lust Racing lowering kit as well as being the factory lower option. That gives this bike a seat height of just 790 mils. We measured it this morning in fact. So as you can see, you've got the panniers there, the Givi Panniers and top box, so absolutely loads of luggage capacity there. The seats are in excellent condition, there's no rips, tears or damage there. Standard exhaust, which is in again excellent condition, no corrosion anywhere on this bike at all. The rear shock in there, which is of course electronically adjustable, absolutely tip-top order, and the rear wheel with that single-sided swing arm, no dings, dents, scuffs, scrapes or damage there either, and the rear tyre, loads of life left in that one. All the bodywork there in excellent order, as is the handguard and the mirror. Also got a blind spot mirror there as well. There's a small tank bag. All the bodywork there in excellent order. Got the engine bars as well, which are undamaged, and the exhaust there in excellent condition. Now the front wheel, no dings, dents, scuffs, scrapes or scratches there, and the WP electronically adjustable front suspension is again in excellent order with no stone chips, no pitting or corrosion. The front tyre, loads of life left in that one, both the lower level and the higher level mudguard in fantastic condition. Daytime riding lights, of course, on this Triumph XRx, and they're in excellent condition as well. And you've got the electronically adjustable screen there. The left-hand side of the bike, that's as clean and tidy as the right. Again, no damage to the bar ends or the mirrors, all those handguards. All the bodywork and tank on this side, again, in excellent order, as you can see, and the wheel. Again, no dings, dents, scuffs, scrapes or scratches. Front fork stanchion, left fork stanchion, of course, in great condition as well. And the engine bars, again, not been used for their intended purpose. So you also get ABS on this bike, switchable riding modes, comfort seats, heated grips. There's a Garmin Sat Nav as well included, and cruise control. Well, as I think I probably already said, traction control, electronically adjustable suspension, and that's super low ride height. So if you're looking for an adventure tourer, you like the idea of an adventure tourer, you want something a bit lower to the ground, give a bit more stability when you're pulling up at junctions and pulling up to stop, and you want all that luggage capacity and the sat nav and everything else that comes with this bike, and look no further than this stunning Triumph Tiger 1200 XRx Low. So let's fire this one up and have a listen. So here at Motorcycles UK, all our bikes come with the current MOT, a service if required by the motorcycle at time of sale and a thorough safety inspection. We're also delighted to be able to offer nationwide delivery. Please contact us for a quote. If you're interested in this fantastic Tiger 1200, then please do get in touch. Either by phone or via the website, I'd be delighted to take your inquiry. If you've enjoyed this video, please remember to like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel. We'd really appreciate that. Thanks for watching and we'll see you soon.